Mechanics of breathing. Sit in a comfortable position and practice kaya sthairyam, that is body awareness, body stillness. You may also lie in shavasana and relax the whole body. Gently close your eyes and become aware of the natural breathing process without altering the breath in any way. Be aware. Be aware of the rhythmic flow of your breath. Keep your spine straight. Your shoulders are relaxed and there is a chin tuck. Keep that core gently engaged. Focus the awareness of the breath in the nostril. Be aware that you are breathing through the nostril. Feel the breath entering the nostril and flowing up the nasal passage. The breath feels cool when it enters the nostril, and as you exhale, you can feel the warm air flows out. Observe this process as a detached witness. Feel the passage of air in the throat, behind the nostril. Be aware of the sensation created by the movement of the breath. Feel the breath at the back of the mouth. Feel the breath moving down and up through the throat passage. Feel the air passing down the throat as you inhale and up the throat as you exhale. Next, focus the awareness at the chest, the rib cage. Be aware of the lungs, expanding with each inhalation and contracting with each exhalation. As you inhale, feel the oxygenated breath flowing into the lungs and becoming absorbed. As you exhale, feel the carbon dioxide being gathered up and expelled by the lungs. Be aware of the expansion and contraction of the rib cage with each and every breath. Do not force this movement. Let the entire process be spontaneous. Bring your awareness down to the diaphragm, a sheet of muscles separating the lungs from the abdominal organs. Become aware of the movement of your diaphragm. Feel it moving downwards as you inhale and upwards as you exhale. Take your awareness into this movement. You will notice that the movement of the diaphragm is also producing a rhythmical motion in the abdominal region. Become aware of the whole breathing process from nostrils to abdomen. Be aware of each component in the action of breathing. Continue in this way for some time. End the practice and leave this awareness of the breathing process. Bring your awareness back to the whole body. Become aware of the external surroundings. and then gently open your eyes.